To quickly access recent apps using the apps panel on Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, you have to enable Show Recent Apps option in the apps panel. To do so, drag the Edge panel handle toward the center to open up the Edge panel. Swipe through the panels to find Apps panel. Tap pencil icon at the bottom of the panel. Next, tap more icon or 3 vertical dot icon at the top right. And then tap the gray on offset next to Show Recent Apps until the switch turns blue to turn it on. To see the result, open the Edge panel again by dragging the Edge panel handle toward the center. While you are in the Apps panel, you can see that the first 2 apps from your recent app list add to the top panel for quick access. Given to the function, this feature makes it easier to jump back into 2 apps you need most recently right from the Edge panel. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.